We gotta catch Pokemon. No, a Victor. No. Look, guys, it's a maze.
Catching Pokemon in Cockington Green Gardens, Part 2.
Spider-Man, are you ready to catch some Pokemon?
Yes, I am so ready.
Here are the Pokeballs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Look, I spot one Pokemon there.
Let's catch it.
Gotcha!
It's running away. How do you close the door?
I got no idea.
Let's find another one.
Hurry! I spot one sitting in the ground.
Hold on. It's a minion. Not a Pokemon.
Hello.
Oops.
Come on in.
Have you found any yet?
I saw one there.
Can I have it this time?
I haven't catched one. I want this one.
It's mine.
It's mine.
Mine.
Gotcha. I got one. Ha, ish, mine.
We should work together to catch them all.
Good idea. I spot one there. Let's catch it.
Here are the Pokeballs. Gotcha!
Finally, another one.
I am ready.
Gotcha!
I got one.
We all got one Pokemon.
It's harder than I expected. I'm exhausted.
I agree. Maybe we should return the job to Ash. We can't do his job well.
Let's go find Ash back.
I have been here for days. Why is no one looking for me?
Ash, we are looking for you.
You guys threw me out of the house. I don't trust you guys anymore.
We are sorry for what we did. We are here to apologize.
Does that mean I can go inside the house to get my Pokemon back?
You can, my friend. We could never replace you.
Oh, we should get one of this.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe us.